She has always done everything she could to help me and my fellow classmates. I truly appreciate her. It's refreshing to know that she truly wants the best for her students.
I feel like I work really hard, but I don't feel like I work any harder than anyone else at Northtown, and I think we just have such a great representation of wonderful teachers across the board at our school. So I do feel honored to be chosen as one of the nominees this year, especially since my daughter's graduating this year and she'll be walking with me.
She pushes people to do their best, and she has helped me become a better version of myself. She is one of the few teachers that really supports journalism at Northtown. Miss Dolinger makes Northtown feel like home.
I was very honored to be nominated for Teacher of the Year. It's something very special to know that that came from my students, and that I feel like I have a good relationship with my students, and I spend a lot of time working on lessons for them or helping them with their pieces or cases for debate, and we spend a lot of time at tournament. And to know that they value me as a teacher is really special to me.
She is a fun and funny teacher. She makes a lot of jokes, but if you actually need the help, she's always there. She is passionate about her job, and you can see that she enjoys teaching world history. She is very knowledgeable, and she teaches in a way that is fun and interesting. She also has such an outgoing personality and always says hi to you in the hallway.
I feel that everyone deserves to be Teacher of the Year, and everyone meaning teachers. I think it's very nice that my children like me enough to vote for me on their computers.
I chose Mr. Jackson because he shows he's dedicated to his students by doing his best to help them. He makes everyone feel included and makes us feel like a family. I always feel excited to go to his class. His class puts motivation in me to go to school and participate.
I'm pretty excited about it. I had been nominated before in the past. Going through the changes that we're going through construction-wise, I don't feel like I've been at my best this year, but it's always kind of nice when the students recognize you.
He always gives you advice about school and life in general, cares about every individual student and their grades, and tries to help everyone individually as much as possible. He always manages to keep the class fun and interesting while still teaching us what we need to know and more. Mr. Nguyen is honestly a blessing.
I'm really honored and humbled to be nominated, and I also think that all of teachers here also deserve to be nominated as Teacher of the Year, because I believe that all of the my colleagues here work really hard to teach, to connect with kids, to help them learn and grow.